The tool can be updated in just a few easy steps. If you already have WebVT installed, visit this time in the video. If you do not have the update software WebVT already installed, open any internet browser. In the address bar, type webvt.atech-tpms.com. Your computer will then ask you where you want to save the WebVT file. Some browsers may automatically save the file to a certain location, most likely the Downloads folder. Once the download is complete, open the WebVT folder and double-click the WebVT installer file. Your computer may ask if you want to run the program. Select Yes, if applicable. Once the installer file starts, follow the instructions to install WebVT. Once the installer finishes, another installer will pop up asking to install the USB drivers. Follow the instructions. Once complete, there should be a desktop shortcut for WebVT. Open WebVT. Then, with the tool on, plug the USB cable included in the kit into your computer, and then the other end into the tool. The tool's information will appear in WebVT. If this is your first time using the tool, WebVT will ask you to register your tool. Once registered, select Full Update. The tool will begin updating. This process may take several minutes. Do not unplug the tool during this process. The update process has been successfully completed.